Assalamu alaikum. My research invention titles is a formulation of polyethylene glycol as a co-surfactant for the stabilization of crude oil in the pipeline. Well, will increasing oil prices and crisis and drive to reduce CO2 emissions, universities and industries are in a constant challenge to find alternative technologies to reduce the consumptions of energy. Also, uh, with increasing the demand of oil, a traditional portion of the world oil is produced in the form of emulsion. This produces emulsion cause a lot of problems to the oil producers, to the refineries, to the transportation of the crude oil. So the problem of this research is what is the specific research gap this research is going to address. Also, how this invention is going to be differ from the previously reported studies. These are two problems. With this, the objective of my invention is to produce a sufficient and sustainable oil-based surfactant for the transportation of the crude oil in the pipeline. Also, the second objective is to the economic issue, because one of the main issues current, the commercial surfactants, they can do the work, but there are disadvantages from both economic and environmental issues. So the question is rising here, how we are going to have a product, that product is competitive in terms of economically is competitive, technically is visible, and environmentally friendly. One of the main issues of the current commercial surfactant, they have a lot of environmental issues. They solve their problem and they create another problem. They solve their problem to create another problem, which is environmental issues. So we are in the UMP. We had our product. This product is economically is competitive in terms of the price, the technical, the current, all the oil surfactants, which is the Triton X100, Spain 80, Spain 83, and glycol. All these are prices. When you compare to ours, our product is less in terms of the price. Also, in terms of the performance, our product is very significant in terms of, and also it's very environmental, because all the commercial surfactants, the main material, that is oleic acid, which is very expensive. Only 1 liter of oleic acid is a 500 ringgit per liter. So that's why it was very expensive. So our invention, the novelty of this invention, we replace it the oleic acid, and we just replace it with the polyethylene glycol as one of our main raw material. Then also we use the catalyst and reactant to produce that one. So we are also our produce, we got our production, then we filed it, we patented in 2020. Then after we produce, this is our product. We are very proud to say that the product is ready. And also I'm going to, because there is a lot of difficulties, but with the commitment, patient determination from my research team, we are able to penetrate all the difficulties, and we make our research is successful. Then we realize that from the early stage of our research, so one of the main problems in the UMP and also College of Engineering is the industrial linkage, international industrial grant, international linkages, and that's why we focus our research for international. And in the early stage, there is a lot of difficulties, but with commitment, patience, determination, and enthusiasm of work, we are able to penetrate all the difficulties, and we had a very strong industrial linkage for that one. And so in end of 2018, we got a company interested in our products, So that company sent the letter of intent, for the collaboration with the UMP. So this is the letter of from the this company from Saudi Arabia. So they sent this is the letter. Then in 2019, we got a big grant, very big grant. We got 850,000 ringgit Malaysia for the research. With this grant, we produce our product. The product is ready. Then we tested the product in the lab. We scale it up the product. Then we give 60 liter to this company. They test it internationally. Then the company, they come up with the letter of intent to buy two of our intellectual properties. So UMP and this company, they sit and discuss the issue thoroughly. So when come to that agreement, so UMP and this company agrees to send the product into the third party in order to for the valuation issues. Then they send the products to platform. So they send it to the platform. So platform evaluate our products. They come up with a quotation. Then UMP and Eastern Unity Technology, they agreed, and UMP agreed to sell two of IP with 1.3 million. That's last year. So the money already come to UMP account. Also this year, I'm proud to say that this year I got 1 million of ringgit for the research purposes. So 500K for the waste treatment and 500K for this research. And we are in the very strong with the industrial linkage with the and also we are in the stage, to communicate with this company or to convince this company in order to build their production lines in Gebing, in Kuantan. So if that's happened, definitely we are going to have a continuous money injection to UMP for the research purposes. And in fact, that is one of our main purposes for the next stage. And hopefully, by the end of this year, we are going to have more industrial linkage to UMP. Thank you.